What is up, Pyros? We're coming at you with some BOOMIN Bulldog. This is called the Blue Fish. It is a fountain, of course. Kind of a funky look. Trying to find the performance. Not on top. Alright, blue fish. I'm guessing maybe it's just going to be a blue fish fountain. Because I'm not seeing a description anywhere except it may reignite and caution emit sparks. So, okay. Again, blue fish from BOOMIN Bulldog. We'll check out this fountain. As I said, I'm guessing it's going to be a blue fish effect. And we'll see what you guys think. As normal, thumbs up, thumbs down. I'll see you in the comments down below. It's your boy Rob. I'll see you in a few seconds. Alright, so I got blue fish. Woo! Almost fell on that one. Glowing. Was it on purpose? Or is it a fire? I'm not sure if I can wait or what. I think it might just be a fire. Or maybe it's supposed to be doing that. Like it's smile. Oh. I saw some sparks. I guess maybe it's supposed to do that. It's going out. So kind of like a smiley face at the end, huh? Alright, well that's your bluefish by BOOMIN Bulldog. Not bad.